Oh, does anyone know what day it is?
It's Wednesdays.
All right, yeah, thanks. Say, I don't think we've met.
I just moved here. I'm trying to get my jousting license so I can be in the King's tournament.
What? You're not a horse? Only horses like us can enter the tournament.
I am too a horse.
Have you been to battle?
Well, no.
Can you neigh?
No.
Do you eat hay?
Sometimes.
You can't be a horse. Look at you. You have humps.
They look so dumb.
Humpty Dumpty, Humpty
Come on,
Dumpty,
guys, quit
Humpty
it. I
Dumpty,
mean
Humpty
it.
Dumpty.
Stop. I'll prove I'm a horse.
Oh, yeah? How?
Tell me what I need to do.
Fine. Well, horses are known for being brave, so you can climb the wall.
Ooh, watch me.
Even his walk is dumb.
He's actually doing it. Uh-oh.
See, not a problem.
Your humps.
What about them?
They're gone.
What? Oh, they must have fallen off when I hit the ground. Wait, does this mean I'm an actual horse?
I mean, yeah, sure. Let's go with that.
Yes! In honor of my gone humps, I will forever declare this day Hump Day.
No, let's not.
Hump Day!
Can somebody please put him back together again?